Everyone, hope you all are fit and fine, students. Yes, beta. Today we will discuss remaining worksheets of chapter number 6, Tenses Part 2. And students, I hope that all of you have completed worksheet 1 to 5. Now, beta, let's move on to the worksheet number 6. It's past continuous tense, students. And beta, past continuous tense is used to describe an event that was happening at some time before the time of reporting. For example, students, they were reading, I was playing, I was sleeping, she was playing, they were sleeping, the fan was moving. Okay, like this, students. Beta, we use was and were. Helping a beta, was and were we use in past continuous, and beta verb first form plus ing. Okay, subject plus helping verb was were plus verb की first form plus ing, and then students we make past continuous tense. Yes, students, let's move on to the worksheet number 6. First of all, take words from each column below and make 6 meaningful sentences. The first one has been done for you. Let's, students, make meaningful sentences with the help of these columns, with the help of these words. I, it's singular one, students. So helping verb should be was. I के साथ हम helping verb क्या लगाएंगे बेटा? Was. I was eating ice cream during the recess. Okay, I was eating ice cream during the recess. It's given to you. Now students, next one, he. Again beta singular, one person है, तो helping verb should be was. He was eating ice cream yesterday. We can write down, students, he was eating ice cream during the recess, or he was eating ice cream yesterday. Both are correct here. Okay. Then students, Sohan and Mohan. Now it's plural one. Sohan and Mohan. Two persons are here. Now students, helping verb should be were. Okay. Sohan and Mohan were eating ice cream during the recess. Or we can say, students, Sohan and Mohan were eating ice cream yesterday. Rajat was eating ice cream during the recess. Or we can say, beta, Rajat was eating ice cream yesterday. Then they, again beta plural one, so helping verb should be were. Okay, they were eating ice cream during the recess. They were eating ice cream yesterday. Like these, students, try to make 6 meaningful sentences. Okay beta, take words from each column and then beta make 6 meaningful sentences. Okay students, now beta, let's move on to the worksheet number 7. The story of the ship Mary Celeste is a mystery. The ship was found abandoned in the Indian Ocean and it was in good condition, but there was no one on the ship. The view inside the ship showed that the crew had left all of a sudden while all of them were doing something. Yes, beta, now look at the picture and guess what they were doing. Okay, students, according to this picture, students, look what they were doing, कि वो क्या कर रहे थे when they left the ship. The first one has been done for you. Yes, students, here some helping verbs are also given to us in brackets. Like first one is shave. So students, someone was shaving his beard. Then students, someone was playing chess. Okay, play word is given to us, students, in bracket. Okay, and picture of chess is also given. So someone was playing chess. Then beta, someone was eating apple, or we can say fruits. Then beta, someone was writing in diary, we can say, or someone was writing in notebook. Okay. Then beta, last one, someone was stitching the shirt, or we can say someone was stitching the clothes. Okay, like this, students, try to complete worksheet 7. Now beta, let's move on to the worksheet number 8. One day Snoopy had a dream. I'm flying high in the sky. The birds are looking at me in an astonished manner. I see fairies on the way. One fairy is playing sitar, and the other fairies are dancing to the tune. I'm attracted towards them. I see a water bubble. The bubble is also floating in the air along with a tune. Then I see that I am sitting on the bubble. Then suddenly the bubble bursts. I see that I am lying on the ground. And Nikki and Sid are bursting balloons to wake me up. Now students, on next page, summary is given to you. You have to complete the answer, students, that Snoopy gives. For example, students, Mrs. Arya asked the confused Snoopy, what did you see in the dream? Mrs. Arya ने बेटा स्नूपी से क्या पूछा कि आपने ड्रीम में क्या देखा था? What did you see? Okay, now complete the answer that Snoopy gives. The first one has been done for you. Now students, let's move on to the summary. The birds looked at me in an astonished manner. I saw fairies on the way. One fairy was playing sitar, and the other fairies were dancing. One fairy is singular, so we have used here was helping verb, and other fairies it's plural one, so write down were. Okay, were dancing to tune. I was attracted towards them. I saw a water bubble. The bubble was also floating in the air along with the tune. Then I saw that I was sitting on the bubble. Then I woke up and saw that Nikki and Sid were bursting balloons to wake me up. Like this, students, try to complete this worksheet. Okay, students, try to complete this worksheet with the help of dream which Snoopy had. Okay, students, now beta, let's move on to the worksheet number 9. You have read the poem Entertainment in the unit Performing Arts of my English Reader class 6. Now better try to recollect and write down the events that were taking place during the monkey show. The first one has been done for you. Yes, students, you can take help to complete this from your English Reader book class 6 and the poem Entertainment. Okay, unit Performing Arts. Now student, first one, the patient girl on hunches was holding the string. Then beta, the monkeys were dancing. The crowd was watching the show. Like this, students, complete this worksheet. And beta, remember that future continuous tense is used to describe an event that will be happening at a particular time in future. Okay, that will be happening at a particular time in future, that is after the time of reporting. Okay, after the time of reporting. For example, students, he will be running, I shall be reading, Ravi will be eating, they will be going, like this. Okay, students, now beta, let's move on to the worksheet number 10. Nikki is sitting and dreaming what she will be doing next week. She writes down all the ideas in her daily diary. Help her complete her diary taking ideas from the picture. You students, in this picture some ideas are given to you. For example, students, it's Monday morning and I'm at work. This time next week, इस टाइम पर next week में मैं क्या कर रही होंगी? This time next week, it will be a holiday and I am really looking forward to it. Holidaying on a beach, reading books, shopping, partying with friends. These are the helping verb, students, given to us. Now students, take help from these clues and then students write down what Nikki will be doing next week. For example, students, we can write down like this beta. First of all, Monday 15th April, date is given to us. Next Monday 22nd April. Okay, next Monday 22nd April को निकी क्या कर रही होगी students? Next Monday 22nd April, I shall be having a gala time. I shall be in Shimla on this day. I shall be enjoying on a beach. Okay. Then I shall do shopping there. I shall spend my time by reading books. I will surely enjoy there with my friends. This way, I will make my holiday memorable one. Okay. For example, students, I am repeating again. Please listen carefully and write down as per your wish in your own words. Okay. I shall be in Shimla on this day. I shall be enjoying on a beach. I shall do shopping there. I shall spend my time by reading books. I will surely enjoy there with my friends, and this day I will make my holiday memorable one. Now, students, worksheet number 11. You have set up a WWF club. According to the instructions, students given in the unit hobbies of my English reader, conduct a meeting of the members of the WWF club and make a list of the activities that the club plans to do in the forthcoming month. Forthcoming month, students, आगे आने वाले month में for future. Okay, the first one has been done for you. Yes, students, the club will be organizing an essay writing competition next month. So students, like this we can we can make a list of activities like beta. The club will be organizing and debate. The club will be organizing a debate competition next month. Okay, the club will be organizing a dance competition, a singing competition. Okay, the club will be organizing a painting competition next month. The club will be organizing a declamation competition next month. Like this, students, try to write down the activities here. Okay, write down here the activities that the club plans to do in the forthcoming month. Now let's move on to the do it yourself part. Look at the pictures given below and write two things that you can see happening right now, two things that you think might have happened before this scene, and better two things that the doer might do after the scene. Your students, first example, the lady is calling the dog. The dog is listening to the lady. These are examples of present continuous tense. Okay, two sentences of present continuous sentence. Then beta, the dog was barking, the lady was getting trouble. It's past continuous tense. Okay, two sentences of past continuous. And then students, the dog will be sitting quietly and the lady will be doing her work. Like this, students, take help from the picture and then students try to write down the sentences here. Okay, now students, try do it yourself part in your books and complete worksheet 6 to 11. Okay, complete worksheet 6 to 11 in your practice book and try do it yourself part. Okay students, that's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day.